Hello folks, today we're going to do a product review for Rough Country seat covers, the non-detachable headrest version for our 99 Jeep XJ. And we're also going to include a video of the installation. Let's get started. Alright folks, well let's get inside and check these out. We'll start out with the buckets here, and that's what they look like. And again, we're gonna link you up with the installation video here shortly. And but about these seat covers, they are like a neoprene material, very soft. They are very snug. They fit very snug on here. I had an old set of Walmart brand ones, or not brand, but from Walmart, and they, every time you got in, they would pull off, so you're constantly trying to fix them, and that was just such a pain. But these, easy installation. I actually removed the seats. I did one at a time, removed one, put the seat cover on, installed it, went to the other side. So that's the front buckets here. Also on these buckets in the back, they have these pouches here for storage. I did hear and read about over time, if you stuff them full or pull on them or whatever, they can sag on you. I don't know yet because they are newer. So the backs, obviously same material. The only issue I had, and Rough Country is going to take care of it for me, so that was pretty cool, is on the back, after you get the seat strapped in, the seat cover strapped in, you have to zipper down the back. And as I got toward the bottom, the zipper had separated from the seat cover. And so I called Rough Country the next morning, and right away they're going to take care of me. So I thought that was pretty cool. They're going to ship out another set to remedy that issue for me. So in my opinion, thumbs up Rough Country. So this is the finished product, and we are going to link you up with the installation here. All right folks, so there you have it. It's kind of a short video, shorter than normal, but I just wanted to get to the point here. As far as the installation goes, we're going to leave a link below to a YouTube channel called Major Weakness, and I'm sure you watched him before. He does a step-by-step installation on these. With the good Lord's help and his, I was able to follow along, and like I said, step-by-step, and we got them in. So I'm also going to leave a link to the actual seat covers, and again, they're the non-detachable headrest version. So make sure you select those. So as always, God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.